Introducing the PF TNE3-60, a powerful industrial dry and wet vacuum cleaner designed to deliver exceptional cleaning performance across a wide range of applications. Built with precision and durability, the PF TNE3-60 ensures efficient suction power for both dry dust and liquid waste, making it the perfect solution for workshops, factories, warehouses, and industrial spaces. And a high-capacity 60-liter stainless steel tank, this machine is engineered to handle the toughest cleaning challenges with ease and reliability. Its dual-stage filtration system maintains superior air quality, while the wide floor nozzle and flexible hose ensure effortless reach and effective cleaning even in hard-to-access areas. Designed for convenience, the PF TNE3-60 features smooth mobility with heavy-duty wheels, an ergonomic handle, and an easy drain system for quick disposal of collected waste. From liquid spills to fine dust, experience unmatched performance, longer durability, and the professional cleaning power your workspace deserves. PF TNE3-60, the ultimate dry and wet vacuum cleaner by JKET Green Technology.